the temporary and miserable nature of heaven. Despite all the comforts and luxuries available on the higher planets, the Vedic scriptures often discourage us from going there. As part of the material creation, heavenly planets are temporary by nature and will eventually be annihilated. Although their lifespan may appear infinitely great when compared to ours, it is insignificant when compared to eternity. And the miseries of earth, birth, old age, disease, and death exist even there in Swarg or heaven. In the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 8, text 16, Krishna says, A Brahma Bhuvana Loka Punar Avartino Arjun. From the highest planet in the material world down to the lowest, all are places of misery wherein repeated birth and death take place. The Srimad Bhagavatam describes how powerful demons frequently attack the demigods, who sometimes lose the ensuing battle. As a result, they lose their prestigious positions as controllers of the universe and are in constant anxiety. This material world is like a prison where different criminals occupy various grades of cells. Depending on the severity of the crime, the criminal is put into a certain cell, the most horrible cells for the severest crime committed. Similarly, this universe acts like a prison where the rebellious souls are sent to reform themselves and rectify their mistakes. Depending on our past activities, we are put into a certain living condition where we enjoy or suffer the results of our acts. For extremely pious acts, we are sent to heaven to enjoy godly delights. For sinful acts, we go to hell to suffer. Sadly, even if someone qualifies to enter heaven, he will not be allowed to stay there permanently. Once he exhausts his accumulated pious credits, he must return to earth and start over again. Lord Krishna explains in the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 9, text 21, Tetam bhuktva swargalokam vishalam, shine punye martyalokam vishanti, evam trai dharmam anuprapanna, gatagatam kama kama labhante. When they have thus enjoyed vast heavenly sense pleasure and the results of their pious activities are exhausted, they return to this mortal planet again. Thus, those who seek sense enjoyment by adhering to the principles of the three Vedic scriptures achieve only repeated birth and death. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please like, share, and please subscribe the channel if you haven't.